Hello dear friend. We continue the cloud visiting for our workshop for extrusion blow molding machine. There are many 5 areas: part area, process area, assembly area, testing area, and ready for shipment area. Part area mainly includes those transit components, such as motors, and screws, and gearboxes. Spare parts mainly includes those processed components, electrical parts, and seals, etc., mainly for after-sales service function. In processing area, die head is processed and assembled here. Also, the machine body and the clamping plate is welded here too. In assembly area, all systems will be combined together, such as extrusion system, electrical system, hydraulic system, and clamping system. In testing area, the controller system will be assembled firstly, and then we start testing machines. All of our machines will run 1 week with raw material and dry cycle for 1 week. We have to find out weakness and then adjust it before shipment. Ready for shipment area is our last one. We will pack machines here and collect all necessary spare parts. Waiting for container to come here for loading.